I've always enjoyed working with 2 or more monitors here in my home office. But I can't have multiple monitors when I'm on the go and using my laptop. Fortunately, there are portable monitors designed for laptops now available in the market. One such product is the DUEX Plus by Mobile Pixels. Hi guys, my name is Joseph from Davao Geek, and this is my unboxing and first impressions of the DUEX Plus portable laptop monitor from Mobile Pixels. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when new videos are uploaded. Now back to the video. Before we start, let me first disclose that Mobile Pixels has sent the product over for me to check out and review. I will, however, give my honest opinion on the product as an average consumer. If you didn't know, Mobile Pixels is a US-based company that makes portable laptop monitors and accessories. We start off with the unboxing of the product. As we can see on the image of the box, the monitor can be mounted on the laptop itself. Like most secondary monitors, this is best used when multitasking. It also features a flexible rotation, kickstand or portrait mode, auto rotation, and hybrid signal. Now let's unbox it. When opening the box, we are greeted with a QR code and/or a link to its setup or installation guide. Moreover, we can also find the same guide at the back of the page. Next, we find the DUEX Plus itself. We also get this template for the magnets for when mounting the monitor on your laptop. Also included in the box is the user guide, an alcohol pad for cleaning the surface before mounting, and a few extra 3M tapes. Lastly, we have the USB Type-C cable. Checking out the DUEX Plus, we find the case is made of plastic. It does have a bit of flex to it, so you should be careful when handling the device. At the back side are the monitor's menu buttons, and to the side of that is where you'll find the USB Type-C port as well as a Thunderbolt port. You should also note that there is no Thunderbolt port on the DUEX Lite if ever you are getting that variant. On the other side, we find 4 magnets with strong 3M tapes. Basically, the magnets will be taped to the back of the laptop. The magnets will be removable from the monitor so you can take it off your laptop whenever you want. To open the screen, just simply pull it out to the side, then you can flip it to the position you prefer. Now this particular model has a 13.3-inch screen, which also makes it perfect for 13-inch laptops. Unfortunately, I don't have a 13-inch laptop at the moment, so I'll be mounting it on my fairly old but trusty 15-inch ROG Strix GL553 laptop for now. It doesn't look too bad on a larger laptop, but it's a bit awkward when close, since it'll be mounted towards the side. I think it'll look better with an appropriate 13 to 14-inch laptop. The DUEX Plus is actually quite versatile. It auto-rotates depending on which side you mount it. But my favorite thing is using it vertically. To do that, you just need to unmount it, then open and fold the cover as a stand. This portable monitor isn't plug and play though. We first need to install its drivers. You can download the drivers on Mobile Pixels website. I'll put the link up on the card and in the description box below. Driver installation is pretty quick and easy, and you can then plug it in and use it after installation. If you are going to use it vertically though, you need to set display settings to portrait, and don't forget to set it to extend displays. On first use, I actually like this monitor. It's very lightweight, images are clear and crisp, and colors are vivid. If you like working with dual monitors, the DUEX Plus is perfect for working on the go. These are just my initial impressions though. I'll be writing an in-depth review of the device over at DavaoGeekHub.com. You can check it out when it gets published. I will share the link on the card above and in the description box below. If you are interested in getting the DUEX Plus, I will also share the product link, so check it out. At the moment of making this video, it is priced at $299, or approximately above 15,000 pesos. Yes, it's not really cheap, but quality-wise on my first impression, the price is appropriate. I will try to put it through its paces on my review though, so do check it out. That's it for my unboxing and first impressions of the DUEX Plus portable laptop monitor. If you found this video helpful, do give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done yet, do subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. This has been Joseph. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.